Hi everyone, I'm Mo Ing Hao. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee surgery. Today, I would like to discuss what knee replacement surgery involves. The most common reason for knee replacement surgery is to ease pain caused by arthritis. Knee replacement surgery is typically recommended when non-surgical treatments are no longer effective, and the knee pain significantly affects your quality of life. Here are situations where knee replacement might be necessary. 1. Pain and stiffness that limits everyday activities, such as walking, climbing stairs, and interferes with sleep or rest. 2. Limited mobility with difficulty bending, straightening, or moving the knee properly. It is important to understand that everyone has a different pain tolerance. You will know when it is the right time for you to go for knee replacement. So, how is knee replacement performed? The operation is performed under general or spinal anesthesia. The surgeon then starts by making an incision at the front of the knee to access the knee joint. All the bone spurs are removed. The damaged cartilage on the femur and tibia is also removed. Femoral and tibial implants are then inserted into the bone. The wound will be closed with an absorbable stitch. The operation typically takes about 1 hour, and you will begin moving your knee, standing and walking shortly after the surgery.